Put a bit of salt on a lemon and your neighbors will want to know your secret. Stop wasting money on scented candles and diffusers that lose their scent the same day. With salt and 2 more ingredients, I'll teach you a trick used in the most luxurious homes in the world to make everything smell amazing. Have you noticed how rich people's homes always have a pleasant scent in the air? Well, it's not a coincidence. It's a simple trick. While many people spend money on air fresheners that lose their smell within hours, others use an old, easy, and inexpensive secret. Once you try it, you'll wonder why you didn't do it before. Lemons have a power that few people talk about. Take a lemon and cut it crosswise without separating the parts. Now the magic begins. Add 2 tablespoons of coarse salt right in the middle. This makes the lemon's aroma stronger and helps it spread throughout the house. It's like turning on a natural diffuser, but at almost no cost. Now comes the trick. 2 tablespoons of alcohol. That's what makes the scent last longer. Instead of fading on the same day, the scent remains for several days, and the more you repeat this trick, the more fragrant your home will become. You'll want to smell it over and over again. Now pay attention. There are 3 ways to use this, and each has a different effect. The first is the welcoming guests version. That scent that impresses right at the entrance. Just add a few drops of your favorite essence, lavender or whatever you have at home. It will feel like your home was prepared for an important visit. The second version is perfect for use in the bedroom or bathroom. After building the base with lemon, salt, and alcohol, add a capful of your favorite fabric softener. You know, the one you love. The result is a fresh laundry scent in the air. And the best part, it lasts for hours. The third version is mosquito repellent, ideal to place near windows and doors. Here we add a handful of cloves. Besides leaving a delicious and unique aroma, mosquitoes vanish like magic. It's like having an invisible repellent installed. Want to know where to place it for the biggest effect? In the bathroom. The scent changes everything. It gives off that clean and fragrant vibe, like a hotel bathroom. In the bedroom, it helps you relax. Many people have told me they even sleep better because of it. And look, get ready. Your neighbors will make up excuses just to stop by your house and smell the scent. But does it really work? I've been using this for over 2 years, and every time I do it, it feels like my home becomes lighter. I know many people who stop buying expensive air fresheners after trying this trick. It's simpler, cheaper, and it really works. Want to try it? Do it today and tell me tomorrow. And most importantly, don't put it off. Grab a lemon now and try the simplest version. In 10 minutes, your house will be fragrant and everyone will notice. Hugs to everyone and see you next time.